Hi, it's Nick from UK Gardening. We're now in the second week of January, and I noticed that some of my hybrid hellebores are actually starting to produce flowers, or the flowers are just starting to come up. So I just thought I'd show you what I do to actually maximise the flower display. Hopefully you can see here that the flowers are actually just starting to appear. So what I want to do is actually just clear this this melee, this small part of the border, just take out some of the weeds, some of the encroaching plants, but being careful to not damage the other bulbs that are coming through. I think these are probably daffodils coming through. I've also got snowdrops coming through. This actually hybrid hellebore has got hellebore leaf spot, so I'm going to get rid of these leaves. We've got all sorts of plants growing in here. This is a hardy geranium. We've got bits of fern growing, so I'm just going to tidy this up. Just get rid of some of those bits of fern. Get rid of some of the leaves. I've got some bulbs here that I don't want to damage. These are daffodils. They're taped to tape, so they're miniature daffodil. That's a bit of ivy. Probably going to take this fur out of here actually, I don't know. I don't remember planting it. I don't know if it's self-set or if it's... I think it must have been self-set. You can see there's some snails harbouring in there as well. So clear this ground. It's a small nettle. Contoniaster seedling. More weeds. I said I want to try and avoid those, digging up those bulbs. I just then dug one up. Yeah, they are. I think they might even be snowdrop. So I'll clear another little area. They're the ones that I split last year. I've got to try and get that hardy geranium out of there. Maybe there. That's it. This is a Pollinia. Get that out of there. They're nice spring flowering plants actually. Look, blue mauve plant, mauve flower. They're quite early flowering. Great for early pollinators. Now that I've exposed the shoots, I'm going to actually cut off these diseased leaves. This leaf here has got hellebore leaf spot, so I'm going to remove and burn that. I'm actually going to burn all the leaves, so just remove that really low down. A lot of people actually just take off all the leaves, but the leaves will actually follow the flowers. So I'll take these off. This one I'll remove as well. You can also, if you've got fresh leaves that had come through, You'll notice this one is quite an upright leaf. It's not doing any harm to shadow the flowers, so I might leave that on. But these ones that are laying horizontally, I will remove, as I say, quite low down, try not to damage the flower stems that come out. That I suspect is more snowdrops. Actually, I'm going to remove that last leaf just to tidy it up. There's one more hiding there. Removing the leaves, as I say, it exposes the flowers, so it shows the flowers off in early spring. You can do this as soon as the flowers start appearing from late winter. So getting rid of the old leaves exposes the flowers so you can actually enjoy the flowers, the insects can actually pollinate them, and also it removes any cover that mice might use to come and sit and eat the flower buds. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please post them below.